What are you cooking? I just finished, bro. I cooked egg fried rice, bro. What's good, chat? We back with it. First cooking stream. It's gonna be put in history, chat. Remember this. Bro, if you complain, it's your fault. Egg fried rice. Let me show you the rice. Freshly cooked by your boy. Wait, let me show you the setup. Let me show you the setup for a sec. Let me show you the setup. Okay. This shit is stuck inside. I'm using one of these, you know? Eggs. We got the vegetables, got the hot pan. No, that's it for sure. You like onion in your egg rice? Peppers. We ready, ready. Audio good up? That's number one. I want y'all to see my face. You know what? I'm gonna stand like this. Look at your wrist. Wait, let's put the hot. Wait, I haven't even put the pan on. What we saying? What we saying? Gotta get the oil. Let's oil this thing up. So I don't know if that's too much oil. Because if you're gonna cook rice on it, you don't want too much oil because then the rice will get mushy, you know what I mean? Nice little oil. Wait, I'm pretty sure, you know what, screw it. I'm pretty sure the rice is ready. Yeah, it's ready, it's ready. Not bad. Okay, a little bit. You always put the salt after you put the egg in, okay? That's cooking 101. Salt it up. You know what I mean? Let's put the heat down. Some peppers. Oh wait, I think that's too big. On the right shot. Put this one. That. Okay, wait. I think I put the heat on too much. That's enough peppers. I'm gonna lie. I don't need that much peppers. And then onions. Is this bad? I don't think so. Wait, let's put the egg to the side for a second. I think that's enough onion. I'll show you all. Oh shit. Stir this. Is this how it's supposed to look? I'm pretty sure this is how it's supposed to look. Yo, W cook in the chat. I don't know if this is how it's exactly supposed to look. Am I? Did I mess up, chat? I think think this is how it's supposed to look. Okay, let's add some peppers in. No. Oh, actually, yeah, maybe some peppers in, chat. Wait. Yeah, peppers are needed. Peppers are needed. Not literal ones, too, you know what I mean? Some onions. We need flavor. We need flavor. Flavor danger. You know what I mean? No. This is... I was dead ass about to put this in. I'm a dumbass, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, this looks not bad, I ain't gonna lie. It's not bad. Let me add a little bit more salt. Is that too... Okay, I think... Jesus. Oh my... Okay. Somebody in the chat just said you added the whole Pacific. Yeah, bro. Stop bugging, bro. Salt is what makes your food tasty, chat. Never forget that. Never. I'm gonna eat this. Meanwhile, we get platinum on Rocket League. That's what we're gonna do. And some other pepper, maybe, chat? Yeah, actually. This is black pepper. What the hell is this? I don't even know. I need black pepper. Yeah, this is black. This looks like it's from 1995, though. I'm gonna risk it. But, bro, nothing's coming out. Why do we have this then? If nothing's... Yeah, bro. Typical black people household. You have the pepper shit here, but nothing's inside of it. Yeah. Typical, bro. Typical. Okay, you know what? I think that's good enough. Close that. Always lock the stove or whatever it's called. What is going on? Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to move it. Is it better now? Yeah, it should be better now. I don't know. I don't even know what I touched with. My bad. Always clean your workspace. Always. Just in chat. Wait, I'm gonna put this to the side. Let's put these back. Oh, actually, brainstorm in chat. I'm gonna put this on top of this. Then you can see the food and everything. Yes, sir. I'm bringing a spoon. Wait for me. You watching Afcon? I want to watch it, but I'm streaming though. You know what I mean? I'm streaming though. I don't know how I'll be able to watch it. Okay, first of all, I'm a rate that fried rice. Decent, right? Not the best you've seen, but decent. Watch party. Maybe I should do that actually. Not a bad shot. Not a bad shot. We'll see. I'm gonna go to the desktop after this, and then we'll see. Who do you got? Senegal or where's the we didn't have soya. What you rating this? Okay. Trying the egg fried rice, chat. I know we did it. 4 out of 10. Okay, bro. I'll give an honest reaction. Okay, honest reaction. I did it with what I had at my disposal, okay? Honest reaction, fried rice with your boy. Veggies and soya and some MSG? What is that? It's not bad though. It is bad. I didn't go out and buy ingredients. I just used what I had. You know what I mean? I had rice, I had peppers, I had egg. What else did I have? I have onions. You know? Veggies, we don't really have veggies right now. That's why. But bro, be honest, bro. For not having enough food at home, this shit not bad. Like, it is actually the best type of food. Leftover rice, on God it is. It's not bad. Bro, I'm telling you, it gets me moving. Bro, putting the dot, bro. Be quiet, bro. Bro, I'm literally a good. Thank you, Repoker, bro. Thank you. He don't know about the skills, bro. I'm literally a good cook. Repoker, if you have only rice, eggs, peppers, onions at home, and you make this, is it bad? Why am I actually? I feel a bit winded. I'm mad. How many times am I supposed to tell you? I didn't go out and get ingredients. This is literally what I have. It's the best thing I have. Come on, man. Thank you. Bro. Here, have some, Repoker. Have some, bro. Thank you, bro. This dude, bro, is saying awesome ducks. I'm a I can't speak. I'm a reiterate it. I can't speak. If you just have eggs, rice, and peppers at home, and onions, and you make this, is it that bad?